The Quiet Corner English Podcast. Host Evelyn. Episode, Finding Peace in Small Habits, a Slow and Easy English Lesson, Level A1-A2. Part 1, Welcome and a Calm Moment Together. Evelyn, hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to the Quiet Corner English Podcast. This is a calm, slow, and cozy space created just for you to practice your English listening without any stress. I'm Evelyn. It is a quiet, rainy morning here today. I have a warm cup of tea right next to me, and I hope you are sitting somewhere comfortable, too. I know that listening to fast English can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you are at a beginner level, like A1 or A2. But here in our quiet corner, we take everything step by step. Remember, learning English is not a race. You do not need to speak fast to speak well. So, let's take a deep breath together, relax our shoulders, and talk about simple daily habits that bring peace to our lives. Part 2, 3 Gentle Habits for a Peaceful Mind, Slow and Clear English, Clipboard Evelyn's Simple Habits. 1. A quiet morning walk. 2. Read one page. 3. Be kind to yourself. When life feels busy or stressful, I always return to 3 very simple habits that keep my mind calm and focused. Habit 1. Take a quiet morning walk. Every morning, I put on my comfortable shoes and walk outside for just 15 minutes. I listen to the birds and breathe in the fresh air. It wakes up my body very gently. Habit 2. Read one single page of a book. You do not need to finish a thick book in a week. Just read one page before you go to sleep. Small, consistent steps every day bring wonderful progress. Habit 3. Be kind to yourself. When you make a mistake, do not get angry. Smile and say, "It is okay, I am learning." Kindness starts from within your own heart. Part 3, Easy English Grammar Corner. Present simple for daily habits. Now, let's look at the English structure I use to describe my habits. When we talk about daily routines or things we do regularly, we use the present simple tense. It is the easiest and most useful tense in English for beginners. Let's look at 3 clear examples. I drink warm tea every morning. I live in a quiet neighborhood. We practice English slowly together. Notice how simple the action words are: drink, live, practice. When you speak about yourself, you just use the base word without changing anything. Conclusion and today's gentle challenge. Thank you so much for spending this quiet time with me today. I hope this conversation made your day a little brighter and easier to understand. Before we wrap up, I have a very simple question for you in the comments section below. What is one thing you do every morning to start your day? Write your answer in simple English. For example, I drink water, or I listen to music. Do not worry about making mistakes, this is a safe space for learning. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast, leave a like, and share this peaceful lesson with anyone who wants to learn English in a gentle way. Take care of yourself, stay cozy, and keep practicing. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.